Here's the heart of it. Live every moment with a playful spirit. Erase the line between work and play. Treat life as a grand game, not a grim duty. Society convinces us something's wrong with us, that we're flawed from the start. But what if that's just a story we've bought into? We're caught chasing a better version of ourselves, smarter, kinder, calmer, less flawed, always striving for a future self, just out of reach. We miss the truth. Let me propose something radical. What if you're already whole? Just as you are, right now, nothing is wrong with you. Your existence, this breath, the raw feeling of being alive, it's already perfect. Not in a polished, moral sense, but like a flame flickering or a tree swaying in the breeze. You're not separate from nature. Watching it from afar, you're woven into its fabric. You are nature itself. As much as the stars or the ocean's roar, your thoughts, your laughter, your tears, they ripple like waves. As natural as thunder, you don't need to earn your place here. You're already a breathtaking expression of the universe's dance. You are enough, exactly as you are. Here's a simple truth. You didn't arrive in this world, you emerged from it. Like apples from a tree. You're not a stranger in a foreign land. You're the universe's way of knowing itself. A living spark of its wonder. We're taught to feel like isolated egos, trapped in our skin, peering out at a world of others. But that's an illusion, spun by language and labels. There's no boundary where you end and the world begins. You're as boundless as the cosmos itself. Like a wave in the ocean. You're not a fixed thing, you're a flow. A process. A verb masquerading as a noun. Your thoughts, emotions, memories, they shimmer like light on water. Stop trying to pin yourself down. You're alive, ever-changing, and free. The universe didn't fumble when it made you. It's not testing or fixing you, it's expressing itself through you. Your unique rhythm, your voice, that your silence is. They're a singular melody, perfectly woven into the cosmic symphony. From childhood, we're pushed to override our nature, to conform, achieve, become someone. This breeds the lie that we're not enough. But what if you let go of that chase? What if you saw that your very being is already a masterpiece, unfolding naturally? Have you ever seen a flower strain to bloom or a tree rush to grow? They simply are, unfolding effortlessly. You, too, are nature's play, already whole. Not a puzzle to solve or a project to complete. Just let yourself be and watch the magic unfold. Look within, not with judgment, but with wonder. Your past, your failures, if your shame, they're part of the cosmic play. Not flaws to fix. You're not broken. You're a living expression of the universe, dancing through its joys and sorrows with perfect imperfection. We're fed a story that life is a test, a stage to prove our worth to others or ourselves. But what if that's a myth? Stop acting in the theater of self-improvement. Life isn't a ladder to climb, it's a mystery to embrace, a dance to sway with. What if life's meaning is simply to live? It's so obvious. Yet we chase something beyond ourselves. Close your eyes and feel the pulse of existence before thoughts, before judgments. That's you, raw and alive, needing no justification. Feel the aliveness before your inner critic speaks. That's the real you, pure presence. Untouched by schedules or to-do lists. Clouds don't line up neatly, yet they're flawless in their drift. You, too, are flawless in your being. Just as you are, waves don't crash too soon, Trees don't grow too crooked. They're not judged by cosmic scorecards. So why should you be? We suffer because we believe we must earn our existence. But you're already life itself, unfolding without apology. Your flaws aren't mistakes, they're the unique texture of your melody. You don't need to earn life, you are life. Flickering like a flame, flowing like a river. Even your striving, your longing to grow, is part of this perfect cosmic dance. The ocean doesn't try to be wet. The sun doesn't strain to shine. Stop chasing an ideal self. You're already whole. Without editing or effort, let go of the need to fix yourself and discover the freedom of simply being you. Right now, your thoughts, aren't you? They're clouds passing through the sky of your mind. You're the vast silence watching them drift. When you see this, not as a belief, but as a lived truth, a deep relaxation settles in, and you remember who you've always been. Your nature itself wild, vast, beautifully unfinished. Letting go doesn't mean doing nothing. It means acting without forcing, living without striving, like a river. You don't push your life forward, you flow with its current, alive and free. Life moves through you, like breath, like birdsong. You don't need to chase purpose. It emerges naturally when you stop grasping. Act without effort, as the Taoists say, not lazy, but in harmony with the flow, dancing with life's rhythm. When you find life's rhythm, you stop forcing and start flowing. It's not about achieving authenticity, it's about relaxing into it. Like falling asleep. You can't force it. The moment you try, you lose it. Just be. And the dance of life begins. Trying to be yourself is like chasing your shadow. You'll never catch it. The effort itself blocks the truth. Stop asking if you're authentic or healed. You're already whole, shimmering in the moment. If you'd only stop grasping, we spend our lives polishing the self, refining, spiritualizing, as if we're a stone to perfect. But then you laugh, because the one trying to fix you is the illusion. Let go of that chase, and you'll see you're already free. Just as you are, you don't need to become yourself, you already are. In your quirks, your flaws, your quiet breaths, you're authentic. Freedom isn't in striving, it's in dropping the act, letting the universe sing through you without resistance. Your self-image isn't yours, it's a collage of others' expectations, built from childhood glances and words. You're not that story. Peel back the layers, not with force, but with curiosity, and find the you that's always been beneath. You've shaped yourself to fit mirrors, parents, teachers, society. But one day, you feel the weight of wearing someone else's clothes. That exhaustion is your signal. The real you, wild and unscripted, is ready to step out. That moment of rebellion, that flicker of doubt about your role, it's not failure, it's awakening. You're not the character you've played. You're the one behind the mask, alive and untamed, ready to live without pretense. Society tells you to confuse the costume with your essence to be the good girl, the strong man, the perfect worker, but you're also a storm, a poem, a mystery. Don't destroy the role. Just see it for what it is, a playful disguise. Be yourself often means be what we approve of. True freedom is seeing through the performance, not smashing it. Wear your roles lightly, like a child in a costume, knowing the real you dances freely behind the mask. The real you doesn't need applause or approval. It's the quiet presence behind your stories. unbroken and whole. You don't need to be better or more enlightened. You just need to remember who's been there all along. What remains when you let go of your roles, your stories, your defenses, our fast silence, where thoughts arise and fade like ripples on a lake. Awakening isn't about adding more, it's about shedding the excess, finding the stillness at your core. Awakening is subtraction. Nuotakumalasan. It's not about perfecting yourself, it's about letting the mud settle in the pond of your mind. Stop stirring, and clarity comes naturally. You don't need to chase it. It's already there. Most fear that silence, where the ego's chatter fades. But that's where your true self waits, not in struggle, but in surrender. Look within, not with judgment, but with awe, and feel the quiet pulse of being that's always been you. There's a soft hum in your chest, a space where striving dissolves. That's you, pure, present, needing nothing. Live from there, not grasping or fixing, but flowing like a river, trusting life to carry you where it will. Like the sky, you don't cling to clouds or fight the storm. Let thoughts, fears, and roles pass through. When you stop editing yourself, life becomes lighter, not because you've solved it, but because you trust its natural flow. There's a rhythm to life, deeper than clocks, felt in the heart. Stop pushing, and you'll hear it. The irony, when you quit trying to live right, you start living truly more wonder. Less control, more play, less proof. Trees don't strive to be trees. Waves don't aim for perfect crashes. They just are. You, too, can simply be letting life unfold through you without interference. You're not separate. You're the universe, alive and dancing. Nothing is wrong with you, not as a platitude, but as a liberating truth. You're not a broken machine or an unfinished project. You're a mystery unfolding, a ripple in eternity, as perfect as a star or a fleeting cloud. See yourself as nature sees you, not through doubt or judgment, but as a phenomenon, a whole and complete. Let go of the lies you've been told, breathe deeply, and rest in the simple, the sacred truth of your existence. That truth that you exist is enough. You're not chasing a future self or seeking approval. You're already home in the quiet miracle of being perfectly you, perfectly now, perfectly whole.